Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is obviously like one of the first videos that I have made where I'm actually talking. So yeah, I'm making this on my iPhone, so the quality isn't that good, but it's I'm in my truck right now. It's a 7.3, it's 99 7.3 Powerstroke. And as you can see, there's snow all over the windshield. It's been snowing these past few days. Not that much. But yeah, you guys can kind of look from the outside. It's not that bad, but yeah, I got snow all over the window and stuff like that, and this thing hasn't been started. It's 28 degrees right now. Last time I checked, this thing hasn't been started in about 3 days. So yeah, so we're going to make an attempt to start it. It's got the ZF6 manual, right? So that's it's good. So yeah, we're gonna try to start this thing. See, and I'm not gonna fucking show you guys how to fucking start these things. I don't give a fuck if you guys can watch a fucking video on how. If you don't know how to start the diesel truck when it's cold, you guys can watch a video on how to do it. I'm not gonna explain. So yeah.